In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a gauge chart in Google Sheets. We'll walk through this process step by step so that you can effectively visualize your data using this type of chart. Whether you're tracking sales targets, performance metrics, or any other measurable goal, a gauge chart can be a valuable tool to display progress at a glance. Let's begin by logging into your Google account and heading over to Google Sheets. If you don't have a specific spreadsheet to work with, you might want to create a new one. Once you're in, it's time to enter your data. You'll want to make sure that each row includes the metric you're tracking, the current progress, and the target number. This setup will be crucial, as it forms the foundation of the gauge chart we're about to create. Once your data is ready and organized, the next step is to insert the gauge chart itself. Begin by selecting the data for the metric that you are interested in. For instance, if you are tracking sales, highlight the cells under the values and the target for one specific row, say sales, with progress marked as 65 and a target of 100. With this data highlighted, navigate to the Insert menu, then click on Chart. When your chart is added, Google Sheets might default to a pie or column chart, but don't worry. Click on the Chart Editor on the right, and then locate the Chart Type drop-down menu. From there, scroll down until you find the Other section, where you'll see the Gauge Chart option. Select that, and your data should now be displayed as a gauge chart. Now let's move on to customization. This is where you can make your chart more meaningful and visually appealing. In the Customize tab of the Chart Editor, adjust your minimum and maximum values for the gauge. A typical setup might have the minimum min set at 0 and the maximum max set at 100. However, these numbers can be adjusted depending on your specific data range or target goals. To further refine the chart, it's a good idea to customize for performance levels. You can implement a color scheme that ranges from red to green. For instance, set the red color for low performance, which could represent a range from 0 to 50. Yellow could be used for average or middle range performance, typically from 50 to 75. Then, choose green for good or target nearing performance levels, falling between 75 and 100. This color gradation can give a quick visual context on how your goal tracking is progressing. And there you have it. Make numbers talk, and let gauges guide your goals. With your gauge chart in place, you can immediately see how close you are to reaching your objectives. It's a fantastic way to keep your data dynamic and easy to understand. Enjoy leveraging this tool for all your data visualization needs.